Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, that generation here from year 2015 to year 2023. If you need to find where the AC compressor control solenoid fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where that fuse is located, where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So the AC compressor, guys, control solenoid fuse, where it is located now, let's go ahead and explain that quickly. Okay, so if we come right here, guys, that's the fuse box. Okay, on the left passenger side, you need to press that notch here, you will open it like that. Good news, you have the fuse numbers printed here, and that layout corresponds to what we have here. Bad news, you don't know what they're for. So that's where we come, guys, and we try to make it convenient for you. So before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here now, guys, which fuse we need to check for the AC compressor control solenoid. If we come in that fuse box here, okay, you can see there's a fuse box here, corresponds to what we have here. And if you come, guys, if you check the menu, that fuse will be under different name. You count the third fuse on the right side, that's fuse number 42. We're talking about 1, 2, 3. That fuse 42, it's right here, guys. That's the fuse that you need to check for the AC compressor control solenoid. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.